Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am here with a protein rich veg dish prepared with Tindora and Daal. Tindora or Kundru or kovai is a common veg in our daily platter. It is known by different names in different states. It has several health benefits too. They are rich in fiber and antioxidants. It can also control blood sugar level. The dish which I am going to share is a semi-gravy veg curry that goes well with chapati and rice. So to start with, I am going to wash and strain 1 cup of dal. Transfer dal to a vessel. Add 2 cups of water. One slitted green chili and some turmeric. Add salt as per your taste. Now it has started to simmer. Cover and cook the dal until it's 90% done. Now the dal is cooked and the water is completely absorbed. At this stage, add 1 cup of water. Next, I'm going to add the tindora. I have cut this into smaller pieces as this will help to absorb the flavor well. Stir and combine. Also check for salt at this stage. If required, add more. Cover and cook until tindora turns soft. Meanwhile, let's prepare a coconut masala. To a grinder, add in 1 cup of grated coconut, some curry leaves, half teaspoon of cumin, 4 cloves of garlic, 3 chopped green chilies, and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add some water and grind to a fine paste and set aside. Now let's have a check on the veggies. It has turned soft. At this stage, we will add in the coconut masala. Remove the excess masala from jar by adding some water. Stir and combine. When it is about to simmer, remove from flame and set aside. Now let's make the tadka. 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, while it begins to splutter, add 2 dry red chilies, next goes in 3 to 4 sliced shallots, saute until the shallots turn brown. At the end, add a quarter teaspoon of chili powder. Saute for a while and then pour in the cooked tindora and dal. Mix well and combine. Allow to stay in flame for a few seconds and the dish is ready to serve. You can garnish the dish with curry leaves or coriander leaves. So I hope you all enjoyed the recipe. Do try this out. I'm sure you're going to love this. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.